Stuck between a rock and a hard place choosing quartz over granite?
Here at Momax, we've got some rock solid knowledge to help with your choice.
We'll start with granite. Granite's a natural stone made by the earth from thousands of millions of years. Because it's a natural stone, we do recommend viewing a full slab as the pattern and color will vary from slab to slab versus seeing your small sample piece.
Granite's natural properties are certainly not to be taken for granted. Get it?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Yeah, I get it. Granite. Funny.
Back to granite. Granite does have to be sealed every so often. It is a porous stone. Because it is a porous stone, it can be stained, but however, we do offer 25-year sealers here at Momax that will protect your stone and will make sure that your material does not get stained. Because it's a natural stone and it does have quartz in the actual stone itself, it does have a higher heat resistancy than most other stones.
Now with quartz, the engineered product, that one does not have the high heat resistant, but with that you also won't have to seal that product. That is made anywhere between 90 to 93% actual quartz. The rest of it is a resin binding material, keeping it non-porous. But again, with that, we do not recommend putting direct heat on that product.